Puck is cleared out. And Backes gets it up and ahead. And Backes back behind the play is on the ice.
J.T. Miller just obliterated David Backes. Backes has been a very physical player, and in the face of many of these Tampa Bay Lightning, and no penalty called on this play, but this is a hard hit taken. And the crowd is quiet. I mean, there is just no noise right here in this building. As when you're fighting for a puck that's loose, and Backes now is looking down at a puck to get it into the zone, Miller comes in and catches him square on the Bruin crest. I think it's a good hit. It catches him low. He stays down. His feet are flat on the ice, and he drops his shoulder down to catch Backes in the center of his chest area. But I'm not sure. Watch the head and see if the contact comes after. It's almost like head on head. It's like their two heads collided. But as you'll see, he has to play the puck. His head is down, and Miller delivers the blow, and it's just, he hits the ice. His head doesn't hit the ice, but it snaps back pretty good, and there's a lot of concern for David Backes right now as he has not moved very much. They're going to try to get him to his feet there now, and he is as rough a tumbler as you're going to get in the game. Loved by his teammates. He comes to play every night. And as hard as you play in these games, and these guys, I mean, they have quite a dislike for one another. No player wants to see another player go through this. Doesn't matter who it is.
Miller landed the hit, and we've looked at it a couple times. No question that it was a clean hit, and just caught Backes in the sweet spot, so to speak, and he is heading off.
There are times in a game, Paul, when you're vulnerable, and you have no choice but to be vulnerable, and you just got to hope that, you know, you survive it. And when you're got your head down looking for a loose puck, and his sole purpose is, I got to get this deep, got to get this deep. And as he follows through on it, Miller's already in he's already in Miller's crosshairs. And there wasn't extra strides. His feet stayed on the ice. He lowered his shoulder to catch him in the chest. He did it all the right way. I think the two heads might have caught each other at the end of it. And we hope that David Backes is going to be okay.